Hello everyone, my name's me, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Airplane 4. It's just another one of those story games. Yeah, this. Alright, let's get into Gate B, I guess. Because everyone else is going to Gate B. Alright, so we're in. I just need airplanes. Alright. I don't know why we're going on airplane again after those 3 flights, but I guess. So, the one last flight. And this should be Airplane 5 called last flight, then part 6, last flight, and so on and so forth until Roblox dies. Walkie walkie eggs and bakey. Wakey wakey eggs and bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today's the big day. Dad, let me remind you. We are flying to the Rohamas. Get down here. Go find Dad. Oh, go find Dad. Run. Run. Where's Dad? I don't know where Dad is. Oh, my baggage. Yeah, we just woke up, Dad. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the bags ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. Okay. I'll start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. We just woke up. And I didn't even know this was happening, so not your fault. So it's not my fault, I meant. It is your fault. Just ran through the wall. Wow. Oh, here's what we're gonna do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. Good idea. Let's pack the TV. I don't even know where the plug is. Okay, guys. Time to start packing. Let's go. Find this item. Okay. No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, phew. That was down to 1 second. Wow. That was just very close. So I'm pretty sure that was in the other room. So I almost died from not packing. I was 1 second away. We're in like the vacation 4. So what's next? Oh, burgers are almost ready. Look at that one right there. That seems good. Right. And burgers seem ready. Let's go to the backyard. Alright, probably have like 10 seconds to do so. Nope, we get teleported, which is nice. Oh, I got baggage. Yay. Wow, look at it. Walk really weird. I don't know how to explain it, but still. What are you supposed to do? Are you supposed to like get to the backyard there? What's in here? Okay, I got a badge. Nice. What's this thing? What are these? I'm getting out of here. Alright. You guys can swim. So let's go. Yay. You want the burger? Me. I walked right through you though. I can't even. Oh. Well, I should have said first, but still. Alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. Alright. If you don't, you die, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna try to voice these characters from here on out. Because I'm just like, you just have to read it. I'm just have to go talk. Characters. Right. 1 for 53 Moon 970. 1 for me, Roblox is the best. 1 for Matt Pose 14. 1 for Spider-Man Newbie. 1 for Apple 1 2 3 4 5. That's all. Enjoy. I don't want to eat it, but I'm going to. Let's see. I'm allergic to meat. Hello everyone. We're back on Blocksia States News. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's the radio. Yeah, earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Yeah, I played this before. Whoa! Can you imagine saving a plane? Me? Oh my! Look at the time! It's time for lunch. Yeah, I know. We're running late to our flight. There's no way we make it in time. Unless... Follow me. Unless we, like, speed or something. Follow Dad. Where are we supposed to go? Okay, we're supposed to walk on the bench and then go over here. Press the big red button. Dad. The garage? Duh. Wait for it. I present you your very own small plane. Yay. This is my plane. There you go. Yeah, we have planes. Yay. Wow. We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. We flew to the garage to get an airplane, okay? It's also a lot more fun than walking. I thought you had a car, but instead you bought 5 mini planes. Now, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Bacon hair. Yes, you're on your plane. Bacon hair. It's right there. There we go. The timer's still counting down, though, which is kind of sad. Alright, let's fly. I'm actually excited for some reason. I'll see you guys on the other side. Well, how are you going to the airport, Dad? Oh, wait. We don't even know how to fly these. We'll have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Oh, obstacles? Great. Oh, obstacles? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Get to the airport! Quickly! She's lagging, yes! Alright, let's go. We're in. Everyone wait for everyone to finish. Well, I finished. Perfect. Everyone's here now. How'd you get here? What? Dad can teleport apparently. I forgot to tell you. Flying over that shortcut is illegal. Well, the police are coming. The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Okay. Follow Dad. Well, I'm pretty sure well, airport's next door, so let's go. Oh, watch before crossing. Oh, this is my first story. Is there? I have to go. Nope, we have to watch. Oh, we have to cross the road. This is horrible. I'll probably die. So, I will just cut back to you when I get back to this, when I finish. Alright, so we're back. And I just jumped over that street, so let's get inside. Baggage drop. I forgot my baggage. Where are you supposed to... Attention everyone! Flight 7616 to Roehampton is leaving in 5 minutes. Oh, we should catch our flight. I know. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without us. Here's my ticket. Uh-oh. Get your ticket and go through the gate. Where's my ticket? I just put my baggage in here. Uh-oh. I just have to go here, get my ticket. Let's go. Have a safe flight. I wish we would have a safe flight, but... Oh, hey there, Dad. Alright, so I'll cut back to you when this 15 seconds is done. Okay, so we're about done. So, what's he gonna say? No more waiting. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. We waited like 45 seconds, though. Get me in here. That's our plane. Oh, yeah, that is our plane. Nice. Hello. You must be the last passengers flying to Roehampton. Yes, I know. Don't worry, you are just in time. Yay, yay, yay. All you need to do is go through the metal detector, and you are good to go. Oh no, the dad has like metal on his helmet. Alright, let's go through the metal detector then. Oh. And we're fine. What? I don't have anything on me. Other than this weapon. Oh. Okay. That was weird. Something's not right. Please wait a minute. Oh no, we have to get to the plane. Oh no. I don't like how that sounds. Jordan. My glasses. Oh no. FBI, open up. Okay. So, you're going to have to come with us. So we're not going to go on a plane. So problem, officers? Yeah, we just got knocked down and went back in this place. Yep. How's that metal detection? Oh. Got a baseball bat. Break out. I totally understand. How do you guys... Last one. My plan is finally complete. Oh. Anyway, I'm not sure how you get up to the vents, but he did it. I think you're supposed to climb up here. Yep. Join the show? No, I'm not. Humans? I'm not human. I'm a kid. Your world will soon be property of the undead. But you're dead. First, I used angry humans to help me build an army. But now I can take over the world. By myself. Don't worry. We have baseball bats. You'll be part of my army too. But we have baseball bats. See you in the afterlife. Mwah! Ho ho. Your laugh is very weird. Well, she's walking out. What's going on? Oh. That could be a problem. Run. Let's ask them for help. I'm not very smart. I don't think those sharks are friendly. Yeah, me neither. I have a strange feeling. Alright, find a weapon and kill the infected cops. Oh, that's what these baseball people do. Get them! Get them! Beat them up. They do like no damage to us. Get them. There we go. That did. Shot flight went really well. What's his? Oh, disappeared. That was horrible. Gotta find a way to exit this place. How about a baseball bat? Oh, look. There's events. Yep. And fun. Alright. Look, guys. We found an open vent. Oh, that's kind of... Okay. Baggage room. Let's go. Alright. Let's walk. Need to get out of here. Quick! Get out! Wait. Where's Dad? Oh, he disappeared. Oh. You. Need to. Keep going. Without me! Okay. Oh no. Skeleton curse is affecting Dad. Monsters come. Well, escape the obby through the roof vent. Alright. Let's go. Ooh, there's a badge here. Oh. Go. This should be a... Alright, badge. I want the badge. Yes, I got the badge. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Here, and then we're through. Oh, he's enemy. Get him out. It looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? I'm Pancho, ex-general of the Robloxia States Army. I heard from you in the news. Were you not supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death. We were the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skelton X before the bad energy consumes us. Oh, nice. We need to do this for our dad. Wow. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me. I have a ton of saliva in my throat, I don't know why. Oh, what's this? Let's go back. That way. Yeah. I think visible the force. The guy might be infected. Well, beat him up. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Oh no. Okay, that's hello, General. Remember me? I have a bat. General. I don't know. Yep, I guess you're calling General Poncho. Something. Alright. This is the place where all that evil energy comes from. Alright, we have bats. We can win. What's that noise? Oh. No. Alright. Let's go get these boys. Get to the end of the maze. Oh. We're supposed to, like, not hit them? Alright. We should run. That's what I'm doing. Oh. That could be a problem. Yes! Alright, we all made it. Nice. What is this place? It looks like an evil altar. Yeah, I agree. Someone must have summoned Skelton X. Skelton X. Whatever. This glowing plane looks like an offering. Alright. Ah! I had to sneeze. So I'd like the sound turned off for a second. Or something. What is this place? Yeah. Okay, let's get the sword instead of the bat. I think that's better. Get out of here, General. It's a trap. Yeah, right, Ronald. It's too late. Oh. Well, I guess you're right, but who cares? Get the sword! Why is he laughing? Can't get the sword. I've harvested enough scared souls to have my full power. Which is like being big. Why do you think I go after planes? Because they're like, they're yummy, healthy. The easiest way to get souls together. Scared for their life. Well, correct, but wrong. I used Ronald because I did not have enough power to do it myself. Well, but now I do. Get ready to be harvested too. That rhymed. Oh no. No, Sean died. I wish I could get the sword, but well, find a way to kill Skelton. I have no clue how to kill him. Don't even know how to get the sword. Oh no, I'm dead. Ow, I got hurt. Ow, that hurts. Oh, it's Sweeper? Hey, well, that hurt. I don't even know how to defeat him. Oh no, Sweeper time. Which way is he going? This way. How did I get this? Did I just click on it? There. Got the sword. There. What do you do now? Oh, you just do Sweeper. What's it? Oh. Oh, wait, you can do damage to him. I didn't know that. I think you have to hit them with the arm. I think you have to hit the sword. Hit him with the arm. Somehow you have to hit him. I have no clue how to hit him. Oh no. Oh. Get him! Taking damage. Seems like he's taking a lot of damage. seems like he's glitched, kind of, as well. Okay. Yep. There you go, look how much damage he did. Barely any. Oh no. So, I'll skip to either when I die or when the guy eventually dies, because it'll probably take a while. How much damage did I do? Basically nothing. So I'm probably just gonna kill myself, just because I can't do anything. It's just gonna take too long. So, look, I shall be sacrificed. Boom. Back to lobby. Alright. So, I probably could have defeated him, but it would have taken way too long. So on that note, ow! And that video here, thanks so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, remember to like the video, and goodbye!